प्यारा देशवासीहरू, प्रजातन्त्रका आदर्शलाई हामीले कहिले छाड्ने छैनौं भन्ने हाम्रो धारणा सम्पूर्ण देशवासीहरूलाई बेला मौकामा स्पष्ट पार्दै आएको कुरा सर्वविदितै छ।
I'm here to say goodbye to our people for the last time.
We believe in the conservation of the natural as well as the spiritual heritage of man. But most important of all, we both honor the freedom of man and the independence of nations.
सबै नेपालीहरू हटाउने